How y'all doing? This is Rob Burnham, ETA Preacher Man R&B, and this is another character bios. This time we're going to be talking about Jackson Jones, aka Tet. And who Tet is he is the son of the Northern Lights, which is the character I told y'all about yesterday. And if y'all want to check that out, it's the video right before this. But anyway, Tet, he is, like I said, the son of the Northern Lights, and his powers are that he can create any sort of technology or electronics or anything just by thought. So whatever he thinks, he can create that kind of technology. And he can also talk to technology. He can talk to computers, anything electronic he could talk to like they're a person. And another cool thing that I did with Tet is that he's not really a genius. He is average. He has average intelligence, like just a normal, everyday, average person. But whatever he thinks, he can create, and pretty much he makes his technology from his imagination. It's not that he's like super intelligent or has super smarts or whatever. That's not his power. His power is that he can create technology by thoughts. So anything that he thinks in his head, he can create it. And he does this using his mind. So he doesn't physically make this technology. He just thinks it, and then he can make it form together. But he has to have like the parts of it, or he can make something that's never been made before and create it with his mind. So that's I think that's pretty cool kind of detail about Tet, that he's not like a super genius. He's just, his powers is that he can create technology by thought. And another thing about Tet rarely leaves his lab. The reason for this is because his father, General Maxwell Jones, aka the Northern Lights, is super protective over Tet after the death of his mother. After the death of the Northern Lights' wife, Ruby, aka Janet Jones, Tet's mother, because after she died, Northern Lights was super protective over Tet. He's actually less protective over the Stone brothers because, yes, they're his nephews, but he's not as protective over them as he is his son Tet, and that's why Tet hardly ever leaves the lab. And Tet, the way I made Tet is he's one of the strongest characters in my Sinless Society universe, in RetroLand comics in general, because both my Sinless Society and my Envy War comics are in the same universe, just in different parts of the timeline. But anyway, like I said, Tet's the strongest person. He just hasn't shown that yet. But other than that, that's all I really got. Besides, like I said, Northern Lights is super protective over Tet because of the death of Tet's mother. And he hasn't really been able to show off his powers yet because his father's so protective of him. And other than that, that's all I really got. As always, Rob Burnham, ETA Preacher Man R&B signing out. Guys, GG's awesome. See you on this.